A lot of stocks in the stock market, especially when you look at the defense sector or other AI defense and AI related stocks in general, have been falling. But there's one stock that refuses to follow the trend of everyone else, and that is none other than Big Bear AI. Big Bear AI is a stock in the defense sector that utilizes artificial intelligence with their technologies. And the question that you need to be asking as an investor is, why is Big Bear AI showing so much strength? And in this video, you are going to be seeing potential reasons as to why that could be the case and what you should be looking out for in the future if you do follow Big Bear AI. And quick side note, if you guys do enjoy the videos I make, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and comment below as I respond to every comment I see, as I do love the engagement. I love seeing you all in the comments section. And also feel free to check out my InvestQ community, free of charge. Everybody, there's other like-minded investors that think the same way as us, trying to add value to each other and help each other grow. Now, Big Bear AI, as we do see here, currently at the moment, it did have a bump up and it went all the way to $4.20. But as you see here, it's trading at about $4.10 at the moment. And what this does signal is it is showing signs of confidence within the retail investors and traders and the institutional investors. And one thing that I would like to point out is one of the things that did give some confidence, as I did point out in a previous video, as we look at the fundamental news, the company news, we do see here about Lisa McLean and how she bought shares of Big Bear AI. Now, the official amount, the exact amount is a little bit not exact. It's not exact when you look at numerous sources. You could look at Market View, the Nasdaq, everything. You do get different reports, but the range, it was substantial for an individual to buy. It was somewhere in the range of as much as it states here, $16,000 worth of shares, and it could have been as potentially as much as $65,000 worth of shares. So now, the reason why Big Bear AI specifically is a good stock and a lot of people are interested in it, and not just because of the hype you see on social media, it's due to the fact that they are in two emerging sectors that are both going to continue to grow in the long term. They utilize artificial intelligence, and they are heavily funded by the U.S. government, and they are in the defense sector, which is heavily funded by the U.S. So when you have two industries like that with AI and defense, you are going to see that there's going to be a lot of institutions, a lot of retail investors that are interested in it, and you're going to see that that specific company that does something like what Big Bear Eye is doing is going to position themselves in a place where they're going to be in high demand for the foreseeable future. And if you do want more updates on Big Bear AI stock and emerging AI plays, again, please comment below what it is you are looking for and what you guys want to see covered on this channel. Now, another thing you guys got to realize is that when you see that a stock is refusing to fall during market weakness, especially in the sector as a whole or in the industry as a whole with other numerous individual stocks, it sometimes signals a buying accumulation. Accumulation simply means that investors may be gradually buying shares over time. Instead of the price dropping sharply, as you can see here, because we've gone up as much as 10% in the past week when the rest of the market has shown weakness, the stock trades within a range and continues to find support, and we continue to find support above that $4 range. So for you as an investor, watching this type of behavior can be important, because strong stocks during weak markets sometimes become leaders when the market turned bullish again. And Big Bear Eye has the potential for that to be the case for this specific company. And lastly, if you are following Big Bear AI, there are a few things you should watch going forward. First is the price strength, is the strength in the price action itself, which we are showing at the moment. We are taking a bit of a dip now because we did peak here and we are going down a little bit, but nevertheless, it's still good price action in my opinion. If the stock continues holding its levels while other stocks continue to struggle, that could signal continued investor interest. And second is news and development, just like what we saw with Lisa McLean. If we continue to get more developments and articles that are bullish for Big Bear AI, that is something you also should be on the lookout for, which could continue to show more strength in the company. And third is the overall market sentiment. Sometimes stocks hold strong simply because investors believe the company's long-term story is still intact and is still going to play out in the long term. Watching how Big Bear AI behaves relative to the broader market can tell you a lot about how investors are viewing the stock itself. So for this short video, guys, that's all InvestQ's got today. Please stay safe in the market and do your due diligence and keep making good decisions with your portfolio that help you to grow in the long term. But besides that, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video.